Okay, as this is Sid Master with another Power Ranger review for Transformers. This is the Black Ranger, also known as Dr. Oliver from Power Rangers Dino Thunder. And as you can see, he transforms into the pterodactyl. So, first thing you're going to want to do is take the tail from back and whip it up like that. Then you're going to want to take the head and shove it in like that. Like that, and then flip the from his back, flip the pterodactyl up like this, and take his feet, fold them in like that, like that. And then you're gonna want to take his tail, pull it out like that, and then move his legs down like that, and flip his feet forward, pterodactyl feet forward like that. So you're going to want to have it like that. And this is Power Rangers Black Ranger Dino Thunder Pterodactyl mode. And the mouth opens like that, and it closes. And to transform it back, all you gotta do, put the pterodactyl feet down like that. Same thing with the other side. Put the legs down like that. Same thing. Move the legs forward. Okay, and there goes the head. So,
Did you see that? Did you see that?
so there's that. I know. I know.
There's like, oh yeah, I don't think it's that yet.
So here's this. Let me go get the head real quick. The head to my Black Ranger.
Are you doing a video when you stop and redo it?
Okay, well this is what you have, but my head flew off, so I'm gonna find that. Okay. Later.